If you want to change volume on your Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, you have several ways to do so. For example, we can go to settings. In the settings, you can choose sounds and vibration, and then here we have a volume where we have all volume sliders available on this phone. So for example, we can adjust the volume for ringtone, for media, notifications, and system sounds. Not only that, we also have AI assistant and alarm. Now this option is available if you use the same volume for all alarms. Not only that, you can also press volume up or down in order to adjust the media volume, but also when the slider is available, this bar over here, then at the top over here we have these three dots. We can tap on them in order to open this panel, and here we can also adjust the volume for media, ringtone, notifications, and system. And also in quick settings you have this slider here for media volume as well. So that is all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!